Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we did a model of the compression test or a composite column under axial load. Here we have a steel box as an outer part. Here is a concrete and here is a CFRP I-shaped profile column or beam. And if I click on this, you can see this is the final view. Of the compression, and now let me replace first the steel. Here this is the steel part, the steel column under compression, the damage, the plastic strain here, displacement or anything else. And now we can replace the concrete. This is the concrete, this is the stress here of the concrete part. You can see that. Let's make this free edge to have a better view. Then stiffness degradation, compression damage and tension damage, also the other parameters here. This is the tension damage, check it in this view, and then the compression damage, we can see that. Okay, and now let me replace the CFRP as an I-shaped profile beam here. See the CFRP, this is the stress, this is the compression for the fiber damage, tension for the fiber, compression for matrix, and then the tension for the matrix. You can see the results, or anything else or any other results you can check. Also we have the force displacement diagram. Here this is the force displacement diagram, 50 meganewton for this composite column. After that, see here, this is the maximum around 50, and after that we have decreasing capacity till here it is 0 and it is main, and the means of this is full failure happened. So if you need to model the column, composite column, steel, concrete and CFRP with damage behavior under compression test or axial load, you can use this tutorial. So if you want to provide this tutorial, come out to website here, abacusfm.com, find the English tutorial or search it in the search section of the website. Then click on the title. Here we have the geometry, assembly, interaction, load, then the result as figures. You can see that here, and the cost for the CINP English video and reference paper is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard. Before that, contact me to this email. We have also a full package of Abacus learning in simulation, modeling, everything, containing more than 400 tutorials, and it includes all the titles that you need. This is the biggest package in the net, and you can use that to be a master in modeling and simulation in Abacus. Here you can read about the main title, and there are many subtitles in this main titles here. So if you need this full package to learn everything with an affordable price, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.